Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix battery plugged in but not charging in Windows 10 or 11. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your battery is plugged in but is not charging, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to go to your settings app, just go to settings, and in settings just go to system and then go to troubleshoot, go to the troubleshooter, and here you just have to look for battery or power option. So if you find here an option on battery or power, so you just have to try to troubleshoot that. So after that, your issue might have been fixed. Or if it's still not fixed the issue, so you just have to go to device manager to update battery drivers. Just go to start or search. Here just search for device manager. And here you just have to look for battery drivers. Here's the batteries, expand it. And then you have to update both of these drivers. Just right click on that and then click on search automatically for driver. Just click on update driver, then click on search automatically for driver. So it will find if there any pending update will be available. It will be download and install on your PC. So after that you might not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.